How's it going out there, guys? Electron Man here. I'm going to do a little work on the Ikon 52. I'll tell you, this is an awesome mower. Been mowing all summer as usual. So far, no major issues at all. But I keep tearing this grass guard off. If I buy another one, it'll be the third one of these I bought. And I'm just tired of buying them. And the problem is I got a 60-inch fence, or a 60-inch gate that I got to get this through. And it just don't quite make it through. And that, and I don't know, I just keep catching things, and it has a tendency to want to fold over on the front. So I already used this tie string, if you can see right here, and I tie it up to where I can reach my foot and lift it up so that I can get in and out of the gate, etc. But I just keep catching it and tearing it, and I thought, you know what, I'm not going to buy another one. I'm just going to redneck it. So I got to looking at it, and they're going to go do a little redneck repair on it today. So I think my best way to attack this is I'm just going to drill some holes in where these hinges go. It already broke this now, but it's not going to matter with my repair. But so I'm going to put about 3 holes in here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do a little not baling wire, but what we're going to do is use some tie wraps and go that way with it. And I let this keeper's chuck on this guy. Yeah, I'll get it in there straight. There we go. And let's just see if we can't put some holes in here. Kind of line them up with the hinges here and get through the most meat I can. I'm thinking about right there. Okay, I just put me 3 holes in there. Let's see how that went. Okay, now my idea works like I think it is. I'm just going to take this little guy here. Hopefully you're getting that. We'll give me some good old tie wraps here. Millennials answer to baling wires. Stick her through the hole, around the back of the shaft. One there. Already looking better, right? Second one right here. Look at that. Already looking a lot better. And then we'll take a third one. I think 3 will be more than sufficient. Same thing, go under that bar, around it. Take that. Tip them off. And guess what? Instead of buying another discharge, I got one works like new. Look at that. And the good thing is, if it decides to get on me haywire again, it actually snapped in that front one. That's why I was doing that. I'll just tie wrap it again. And what I do with this little wire here, I've just got it looped around here. By the way, I don't think this is OSHA certified, so don't listen to me. But anyway, that's actually a little short. It was a little longer than that. There we go. And now when I come up to the gate, I just push my foot on it and lift it up and let it shut back down. You can have it shut all the way down. I have found, though, I don't care for it to be all the way down. For one thing, that front edge tends to dig in there. And the other thing is that it tends to clump up more grass. Now, of course, doing it this way, make sure when you're mowing that you're not, in any rocks or anything, or you could throw them out a window or something, because there is a reason for this shield. And if I'm in anywhere around the house or anything, I just drop the wire down and let it hang all the way down. But when I'm out, mowing out in the back in the field in the 2 acres, I could just mow faster and it spreads the grass out a little further. Like I said, I'm not condoning this. This is probably not the safest thing, but definitely a solution. But anyway, I didn't mean to get into a big debate about the shield. I just wanted to show you my little quick fix for tearing it out of there. I was just tired. This has been the third one of them. They're not real expensive. They're like 30, 40 bucks, but it's ridiculous. I mean, I just soon do this. And like I said, if I catch something now to tear a tie wrap for a penny or whatever a tie wrap actually works out to be 10 cents a tie wrap, I'll just tie wrap it back on again. And this definitely solves my problem. And the wiring dish was just a little extra piece that I did because, like I said, when I'm coming in that gate now, I can put my foot down on that and fold it up, and keeps me from catching the front of it and tearing it. So anyway, just a little quick how to do a handyman redneck repair. I hope nobody's offended by redneck, but hey, I'm a redneck, so I can call myself a redneck, right? So anyway, but yeah, the old Ikon, if you can't tell, still running like a charm. Still doing her job. This will be the fourth or fifth. I think it'll be the 5th season, 4th year I've had it. Anyway, as you notice, the seat's not even tore. I haven't really had to do much of any maintenance other than oil changes, etc. One set of blades, three belts, which I learned my lesson on that. On these, with that long belt, it's got a really long belt on it. Don't push it too hard. If you got 6 inches of grass, mow it high first, then mow it down again. And definitely don't go high speed through 6 inches of grass, because you just put too much torsion on that belt and it will snap it. But as long as you use it wisely and don't push it past its limit, it won't break the belt. And of course, I've got a couple videos on how to replace that. And even if you do break it, it's 50 bucks and takes about an hour or two to replace. So not the end of the world. But anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little redneck repair video today on the Ikon 52. If you get a chance, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. This is Electron Man.